Look at that.
Potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in North Central and Northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and or warnings affecting all counties in North Central and Northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far Northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast in the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. Here is your forecast for Rockford and surrounding communities. For rest of today, partly cloudy late in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 20%.
Yep.
For tonight,
I guess the new 12262 I bought works.
Partly cloudy.
I don't know what's the backlight. The backlight doesn't turn off, but it's not a huge deal. Oh my gosh, camera. This one didn't activate for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe I have weekly test off. No? Oh, there's been a lot of static for some reason.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio.
Like there's been a lot of interference.
Southwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Gusts up to 30 miles per hour in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 50%. For Friday night,
Dude, the focus on this camera is terrible.
A chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the evening. Lows in the mid-60s. Precipitation 40 for Saturday.
I'm going to keep all these radios. So these two and this one on KXI 41. I'm thinking about getting maybe 2 more to monitor KXI 41 because before I only had that one on there. So, yeah. It's weird that one didn't activate though. I don't know. It's probably all the interference it's been getting.